power breakfast to help keep you well through the winter. Hi, my name's Christine L. Conroy. Welcome to Happy Stuff and Fluff, a channel for women over 50 who are getting happy and growing younger. And hopefully staying well through the winter time. I love winter. I'm a winter person. I love the cold. I love winter fashion. I love everything about it. The little bit of sadness this year is that I don't have my open log fire. Of course, we're in an apartment, we don't have a log fire. By now, my fire would have been lit every single night just for the look of it. But I do hope to present another object of beauty to you at some point soon. Anyway, back to the winter power breakfast. Because obviously, through the winter time, lots of us get colds and so on. I never suffer with colds and very rarely get flu. Now, obviously, I can't tell you I put this down to my power breakfast, but give it a try and see what you think. Okay, so it's very similar to the summer power breakfast. I'll leave a link to that here, because in there I talk about the health benefits of lots of the, well, not lots of the ingredients, but some of the ingredients that also appear in this. So no yogurt though in this one, because we want to be, it's a warming breakfast. So it's a porridge, and I use the original Scots porridge oats, so just milled oats for porridge is what I use. I'm not going to show you unless you all say please show us how you do it, Christine, because it's dead simple, as you know. It's just I use about 30 grams of oats in a pan. I do not use a microwave. It's funny, we were talking about rituals. I kind of create a ritual about making this particular breakfast too. 30 grams of the oats, and then about 275 mils of almond milk I use for this porridge into a pan, and then I stand and stir. Now I know it's easy to do in the microwave, and if you're dashing out, then that's the way to do it. I tend to listen to If on a Winter's Night by Sting. That album's very poetic. It's you've got to be in the mood for this album. You're probably not going to like everything that's on there, but I like to listen to that in winter whilst I'm making my porridge. I know, but there you go. So that's it then. 30 grams of oats, 275 mils, or roughly, to your taste, of course, of almond milk, and then watch the alchemy. I love it. I love seeing the milk and the oats actually turn into that porridge. Okay, then once that's done, I do that for around about 4 or 5 minutes. Obviously, that's if I'm just doing it for myself. And then I add a half a teaspoonful of Manuka honey. I don't like honey. But I do think porridge needs a little bit of something, and so I use Manuka honey because of its health benefits. Be warned, as you know, all honeys are very high in natural sugars, so bear that in mind. So just half a teaspoonful. Manuka honey is said to be good for the digestive system. It's said to heal a sore throat. In fact, I have used it to soothe a sore throat in hot water. It's also said to be antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. For that reason, I use it to sweeten the porridge just a little bit. And then I also add a teaspoon of flaxseed or linseed. It's also called linseed, but I also add a teaspoon of flaxseed, not a full teaspoon, just to give it a bit of crunch and also to add the benefits of flaxseed. And then when I've done that, I top it all off with as many blueberries as I feel I want to eat that day. Packed with absolute amazing healing health benefits. 30 grams of oats, 275 ml of almond milk, half a teaspoonful of Manuka honey or to your taste, a teaspoon of flaxseed topped with as many blueberries as you want, because you know blueberries is a superpower. Eat that every day and yeah, you may not get a cold or flu through the winter time. This year I've actually had a flu jab, which I don't normally do, but you know that Charlotte's not well, and she stays with us for a goodly part of her time while she's having chemotherapy treatment. At the beginning of next year, she's actually having a stem cell transplant, and she will be here a lot of the time, and so for her to catch anything like flu would be incredibly dangerous. So I went and had a flu jab, which is something I would not normally do, and I've never needed. And as I say, I put that down to my power breakfasts. I don't have any scientific evidence for that. But if you look up these ingredients, you'll see the benefits that are claimed for them all. Okay, so that's my power breakfast. Yeah, and if you want to listen to Sting while you're doing it, it really puts you in that lovely wintry kind of mood. I know, I'm crazy, but hey. Okay, so that's my power breakfast. I hope you enjoy. Mix it up with the fruit if you don't like the fruit, or use something else instead of the flax seeds. But yeah, that's what I do. Okay, I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon. Until next time, remember that on the Happy Stuff and Fluff, we are getting happy and growing younger. See you next time. Bye-bye.